Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Directive 8020 and your game keeps crashing and you keep getting this error on your PlayStation 5 CE-107101, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Directive 8020 easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your game's library, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto the options button on your controller on Directive 8020 here. Once you do that, you'll get this menu. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to check for updates here. Once you click on to check for updates, if it finds any updates, it will update the game, and that will hopefully fix your problem. If it doesn't, then you can open up this menu again. You're going to click on to restore license now. Once you do that, it will tell you that in order to restore the license of the game, it needs to close the game. So just click on to restore here. It will start restoring the license, and once it's done, you'll get this window. After that, now what you're going to do is you're going to disconnect your PlayStation 5 from the internet completely. So either turn on airplane mode, turn off your Wi-Fi, or disconnect your Ethernet cable. After that, you're going to restart your PlayStation 5. So turn it off, wait for a minute or two, and then you can turn it back on again. After that, now you can connect your internet. Now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.